Hi, the other popular command towards your pinging, okay, is hping3. So hping3 hyphen h is going to give me all the help. Going to give me all the help text. Okay, the best thing is, you can also do an TCP ping, ICMP ping, okay, and then UDP ping, etc. With then you can also do a scan. Okay, for scanning, I'm going to teach you Nmap. That's much more powerful tool. You can spoof your source address. You can randomize the destination, randomize the source. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to do a sudo su. Let me start our beautiful Wireshark. Wireshark is a very powerful packet sniffer. It's also used for forensics in case of networking. So I have clicked on ETH0. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is let me do a Control L. This is going to maintain the history also for me. So I'll say h ping3. I'll say google.com. Let's see what happens. So DNS, okay, then there's a TCP thing that actually goes. So that means by default, I'm going to have a TCP ping, okay, that happens with respect to the hping3. Okay, now getting back. So it says default mode is TCP, and that's what we saw with the Wireshark. Okay, so you can modify that on ICMP, modify that in UDP. That's all actually fine. Now, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to use this option hyphen spoof. Okay, so hping3 hyphen spoof. I'm going to use an IP address 192.176. Before that, let me show you what my IP address is. I have config. I'm on 10.0.2.15, a default for NAT IP address when I use Oracle VirtualBox. So I'm going to say hping3 hyphen spoof. Okay, google.com. Missing. That's the destination. 168.7.17. This is spoofed IP address. Let's run this, continue without saving. Let's stop here. So if you actually see, this is what the IP address we have specified. Stop it. 192.168.7.17. 192.168.7.17 is the source IP. So the I have spoofed my IP address destination. They're going to have a SOC team monitoring the ping. Okay, this is not a very serious problem, but if they want to monitor a ping, they will see that the IP address is 192.168.7.17 and not 10.0.2.15, which is my default IP address. Okay, so let me continue without saving. Stop it right here, or we can even execute this, no problem. Okay, do a clear. hping3, I'm spoofing my IP. Okay, I'm randomizing. Okay, randomizing. Okay, I'm going to randomize the source basically. Okay, I'll say rand source. Okay, if I had to specify the randomize the source, I have to specify the interface. Okay, I'll say ETH0. Okay, then I'll say google.com. Okay, hit the enter key. Now what actually happens here? Stop. Okay, now if you actually look at the source, okay, the first time it's a DNS resolution. So it queries the DNS server for the google.com IP address. But if you look at the next IP, source is 21.71.22.239. Destination is the google.com. Okay. Now the second time the IP address is different. Third time the IP address is much more different. It's different IP. So it's randomizing the source. So it appears that the destination as if multiple entities are actually involved in in launching an attack, or ping is actually not an attack, though we can attribute a massive ping to a DDoS. Actually, things have changed recently. So at the destination, they will find that there are multiple systems that are involved in doing a thing, but it's actually not, it's a single system. Okay. So thanks for watching this video, and we will get on to the next lesson soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.